Hi everyone, and welcome. Today we're kicking off a journey into building powerful, scalable test automation infrastructure. You know, in many teams, automation starts with good intentions, but without a strong foundation, it quickly becomes flaky, unreliable, and hard to scale. That's exactly what we're here to solve, step by step. In this opening session, I'll give you a big picture view, what a modern automation system looks like, how the pieces fit together, and what tools and strategies we'll dive deeper into in the series ahead. Think of today as building the blueprint for success. Let's get started. In today's session, we'll focus on 4 critical areas that build strong automation infrastructure: framework architecture, the right tools and technologies, CI/CD pipeline integration, and reporting for actionable insights. Most test automation failures aren't coding mistakes. They're infrastructure weaknesses. Tests pass locally but fail in CI/CD pipelines. Execution is slow, feedback unreliable, and reporting is often inadequate. We'll focus on fixing these root causes. Modern test automation systems have multiple layers: frameworks, structured test layers, execution environments, CI/CD integration, and reporting pipelines all work together. Building modular and scalable systems is essential for long-term success. Here's the high-level view of a complete automation system. Tests are automatically triggered, executed across scalable environments, and the results are reported visually and clearly. Every layer is connected to drive continuous feedback and quality. A strong test framework uses clear layering, separating UI actions, validations, and logic. Reusability, dependency injection, and maintainable design patterns make the framework scalable and future-proof. Test execution infrastructure must scale with growing automation needs. Local grids, Dockerized environments, or cloud platforms like BrowserStack and Sauce Labs enable parallel execution and dynamic scalability. CI/CD pipelines integrate automation into the software lifecycle. GitHub Actions, Jenkins, or GitLab CI trigger builds, run tests in parallel, collect artifacts, and make test results easily accessible. Good reporting turns test results into engineering decisions. Real-time dashboards, failure analysis, and integrations with GitHub or Slack make reporting data-driven and actionable. Scaling test execution reduces feedback time and increases confidence. Matrix builds, Docker scaling, cloud elasticity, and load balancing allow hundreds of tests to run efficiently. Extend your framework to mobile apps with Appium and APIs with Rest Assured. Unified reporting across UI, mobile, and API tests ensures easier maintenance and broader coverage. Choose the right tech stack for your team and project needs. Selenium, Playwright, Cypress work across languages like Java, JavaScript, and Python. CI/CD tools and Docker complete the scalable setup. Here's an example of a modular framework structure. Clear layering, support for parallel execution, and integrated reporting make scaling and maintenance straightforward. Everything is connected. From framework architecture to execution and reporting, each layer strengthens the overall system. In upcoming sessions, we'll deep dive into each core area: building flexible frameworks, scaling execution environments, smart CI/CD pipelines, and designing powerful reporting dashboards. Infrastructure is where automation succeeds or fails. Modularity, scalability, and observability turn scripts into reliable systems. Think systems, not just scripts.